prosecutor that the respondent accused be arraigned today. Now, on the matter of Article 9, counsel also say that the person impeached shall then be called to appear and answer the articles of impeachment against him or her. And if he or she appears, or any person for him or her, the appearance shall be recorded, stating particularly if by himself or by agent or counsel, naming the person appearing in the capacity in which or he appears. If he or she does not appear, either personally or by agent or counsel, the same shall be recorded. And for all intents and purposes, respondent is present today through counsel. There is also nothing in Rule 9 that requires the reading of a 23-page articles of impeachment, which will be a waste of judicial time.
So narinig natin ang kasagutan. So basically, tinutulan siya ni Madam or ni Attorney Sison or Sison dahil nga yung kahilingan na paharapin kagad si BP Sara is hindi na kailangan. Kasi unang-una, sumagot naman sila. May sagot si BP Inday Sara at na-file na ito. So nasa record na, at the same time, okay, andun si BP Sara sa pamamagitan ng mga lawyers niya. So sila yung kinatawan ni BP Sara. So hindi na kailangan yung nire-request ni Luis Tro. Kasi ayun naman yung nakasaad doon. Kaya dyan, magbigay na ng desisyon si Chis Escudero as the impeachment lawyer or impeachment judge dito. So ang desisyon ni Chis Escudero ay
will now make its ruling. The articles of impeachment were deemed read and spread into the records when it was referred by the Senate to the Committee on Justice for the proper issuance of summons. And a plea of not guilty will only be entered in accordance with our rules in behalf of the Vice President if she does not file an answer. But in this case, she has filed an answer and in fact has appeared through counsel. Insofar as the reading of the articles of impeachment is concerned, it will be done at the final resolution of this case when it is put to a vote by the senator judges, where each article of impeachment will be read before a vote shall be taken thereon. For those reasons, the motion is denied and the lead prosecutor...
ayun na, the motion is denied. So dininay ni Chis Escudero yung motion neto ni Luis Tro. Kasi nga naman, meron naman ng sagot, 'di ba? Meron ng sagot at bigay na siya ng answer niya. At andun naman yung mga kinatawan niya, which is the lawyer. Kaya dininay niya. So hindi na kailangan. Madam Luis Tro, tali-talino, hindi porkit magaling ka mag-English,